Hello students, welcome to maths class. We are dealing with the areas by using the definite integrals. What is the procedure? I said in the question they will give one curve equation to you, right? And they will give some x bounds also. So first we have to draw that curve by taking some x values, right? So after that we have to observe whether the curve is above the x-axis or below the x-axis. If it is above the x-axis, while finding the area, we will take the equation as it is. Suppose it is below the x-axis, while finding the area, we have to take minus of that curve equation. Okay, same thing with the left side of y-axis, right side of y-axis. Right side of y-axis means the curve will be positive, left side of y-axis means the curve will be negative. Okay, that is the procedure. So now we will do one problem. So in a previous class we did two small problems, so that first class for areas, no, that was so concept should be clear, right? So we have taken one table, some x and y values. By seeing that table, we located the points, then joined them with a free hand, you will get one curve equation. With that we observed whether the curve is, that means the area is above the x-axis or below the x-axis, right? Or right side of y-axis or left side of y-axis. So come to the question. Find the area cut off between the line y is equal to 0. What is the meaning of the line y is equal to 0? Means x-axis, isn't it? So what is the equation of x-axis? It is y is equal to 0, isn't it? So find the area cut off between the x-axis and some parabola is given to us. Y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. Okay, but x bounds are not given. In previous question, did you remember, we did two problems. There in the first question we got x bounds are minus 1 to 2, and second question 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, like that we got the x bounds. But here we don't have the x bounds, but we can find by using which one? These two are intersecting, right? So this line and this curve are intersecting. So if you find their point of intersection, that is nothing but the limits of this curve. Okay, so come on, first we have to find solution. First given equation is, right, given curve is, what is the curve equation? Given curve equation is y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3, and line equation is also given, right? And line equation is, what is your line equation? Y is equal to 0. By solving these two equations, we will get their point of intersection, right? So by solving two equations, we get point of intersection of the curve and the line. So how we will solve? Here y is equal to 0, y is equal to this one. So equate, this is y, this is also y. Equate them. Then what happens? It is x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, try to get the factors. How we will get the factors? We have to multiply this 3 with 1, right? We will get 3. So we have to select two numbers whose product should be 3 and sum should be minus 4. So we will take minus 3 minus 1, right? If you multiply, product will be 3, and if you add, the sum will be minus 4, isn't it? So like that we have to select the two numbers so that we can get the factors or x values. Okay, so x square minus 3x minus x plus 3 is equal to 0. So with this you take your x value outside. So if you take x outside, it is x minus 3. If you take a minus 1 outside, it will be x minus 3 is equal to 0. So we can take x minus 3 common, then it is x minus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1. You got your limits of x value. If any question in the area x values are not given, then you have to solve the two equations which are given to you. Okay, sometimes two curve equations will be given to you. Just to solve those two curve equations, then you will get their point of intersection. In between them only we are having the area, isn't it? We have to find the area between the curve and the line, means they are intersecting. In between them only we have to find the area. That means if we solve them, their point of intersection we will get it, and we have to find the area from that point to another point. Okay. So you got your x values, x is equal to 1, 2, 3. So now we should know whether the curve is above the x-axis or below the x-axis, or the area is above the x-axis or below the, not the curve exactly, it is area, whether the area is above the x-axis or below the x-axis. So how we will know? To draw the curve equation, to draw the area, we need x and y values, right? So come on, you take one table, right, where you have to take some x values, and what is your y? Y is given as y is equal to, it is x square minus 4x plus 3. This is your y value. So you take x values, 1, 2, 3 is there, no? So you take your 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now in this equation you substitute your x values, right? You substitute your x values, then you will get your y point. So first x is equal to 0 in this equation. What happens? 0 square minus 4 into 0, 0 plus 3. So it is 3. Next 1. So come on, it is 1 square minus 4 into 1 plus 3, right? So it is 1 minus 4 plus 3. So 1 plus 3, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Next you take 2 in this equation. So it is 2 square minus 4 into 2 plus 3. Right. 2 square is 4. Minus 4 2s are 8 plus 3. Right. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 minus 8, that is minus 1. So it is minus 1. Next you take 3. Right. X value as 3. What happens? Substitute in this equation. 3 square, right, 9 minus 4 into 3, right, plus 3, right, 9 minus 4 3s are 12 plus 3, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 minus 12, it is 0. Okay, so 9 plus 3, right, it is 12. So now try to draw the diagram for this. So on x-axis we should have 0 to 3, on y-axis 0 to 3 upwards and minus 1 downwards. Okay, so we will take the x-axis and y-axis now. This is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. Here origin, and on y-axis we are having minus sign also. So on x 0, 1, 2, 3. So 1, right, 2, you take 3, and here on y-axis 3 is there, right, minus 1 is also there. So come on, 1, 2, 3, and here it is minus 1. Now try to locate the points. First, x 0, y 3. X coordinate 0, y coordinate 3 means on y axis. So, this is your point. Okay. Next, x at 1, y at 0. X coordinate is there, y coordinate is 0 means on x axis. So, here it is. This is the point. Next, 2 at minus 1. So, 2 on x axis, minus 1 on y axis. So, this is the point. Okay. Okay. Next, 3 at 0. So, 3 on x axis, right? So, y coordinate is 0. Already I said to you, x coordinate is there, some value is there. Y coordinate 0 means point lies on x axis. So, this is the point. Okay. So, join them with the free hand, right? So, this is the curve. So, which area? So, what is the question asked? Find the area cut off between the line y is equal to 0. X axis is called the line y is equal to 0. And the curve, this is your curve, y is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. This is your curve. Okay. So, find the area cutting by, right, cut off between, that means the area which lies between the x axis and the curve. Which area? This area we have to find. This is the area we have to find, and observe the area is below the x axis. The area is below the x axis. Whenever area is below the x axis, we have to take that curve equation as negative, right? So, now your area is equal to, come on, x values, we got it as 1 to 3. So, 1 to 3. Okay. And for the curve equation, we have to take a minus. Why? Since the area is downwards of x axis. So, minus of, what is your equation? It is x square minus 4x plus 3 into dx. Okay. So, you take minus sign outside, okay, and integrate each term, x square dx. Come on, right? Next, minus 4 into x dx plus 3 into dx. Okay. So, the limits are 1 to 3, 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Okay. So, is equal to minus of, come on, this is x cube by 3 minus 4 into x square by 2. Normal integrations I am doing, right? X to the power of n form. Integral x to the power of n is x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus 3x. Okay. After the completion of integration, we have to write the limits on right side. Now, you substitute your limits carefully. So, come on, first upper limit 3 cube by 3 minus 4 into 3 square by 2 plus 3 into 3. Okay. Next, in the x place we have to substitute 1, right? So, it is 1 cube by 3 minus 4 into 1 square by 2 plus 3 into 1. Okay. So, this one is equal to, come on, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So, 27 by 3 minus 3 3s are 9, right? 9 4s are 36 by 2 plus 9 minus 1 cube is 1 by 3, right? Next, minus of minus plus 2 1s are 2 2s are, right? And minus 3. Okay. So, is equal to, come on, minus sign is outside and it is 27 by 3. Okay. Minus 1 by 3. 1 by 3 terms I have taken common, and here it is 2 1s are 2 8s are 16, isn't it? 2 1s are 2, right? 1 will be there 16, 2 8s are 16. Minus 18 plus 9, minus 9. Minus 9 and here minus 1 will be there. So it is minus 10. Okay, so is equal to minus half. Here taking the LCM as 3. 27 minus 1, 26 minus 10. Okay, so minus half. 3 is the LCM. 26 minus 30. Right, 3 tens are 30. So it is minus 4 by 3. Minus half minus plus. So it is 4 by 3 square units is the answer. Okay, so this is the procedure. So how we have to find? First, here x bounds are not given, that's why we have to solve and we have to find x values. Once we got x values, you take the table and try to draw the diagram. Here your area is below the x axis, so we have to take, while taking the formula for area of the curve, we have to take minus sign. After that, normal integration, right? In that, in x place you substitute upper limit, then minus in the x place you have to substitute lower limit. You will get your required area. Okay, this is the concept. If x values are not given to you, you have to find out the x values. Okay, by solving the two curve equations. Okay, so be clear with the concept and practice this problem perfectly. I think slowly you will get used to this one also, how to find areas by using definite integrals. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day.